What a rare and beautiful sight. If you're a Jeep owner, you know this is what you haven't seen in so long, since that back window is all cloudy and foggy and you can't see anything out of it if your soft top is even a couple years old. But we just put in this new back window from MasterTop and look how clear it is. Oh my goodness. So good to be able to see out the back. Once again, we're going to show you how we did it. So we're going to just unhook at the bottom. These are available for any of the finishes on this. This one has the twill, so we ordered that window for it. Unzip it. Sad to get rid of my YouVersion Bible sticker. Depending on how old it is, the hardest part can be trying to get the zipper off sometimes. There we go. Window comes out. Plastic attachments come on the new one, but we got to take this bar off. So this bar just slides off. So now we got the MasterTop window. We just got to slide that bar on it. This thing is crystal clear. It'd be so nice to swap out here. All right, so we got that bar on there. Now we're just gonna go ahead and zip this one in. This is the new one going in. Starts over on the left-hand side here. Get both zippers lined up. And we just gotta hook these back under. Hook the ones on the new top under. So we got it all installed there. Fits really good. The texture of this one is pretty much identical to what we have here on this twill Jeep top. Only difference between it is you get the MasterTop logo here instead of the Chrysler one. But the big benefit is you can actually see through the back window again. So fit and finish is great. It takes about maybe 10 minutes to install. And maybe the best benefit of all is this is the view from the rear view mirror. I can actually see out the back of my Jeep again. So MasterTop back window available, pretty affordable. You can get them for the different years of Jeeps, also the different top materials. This one was on a twill, so you may find this helpful. We'll put links down below if you want to find one. Check it out. Thanks for watching.